going to see the next part of the lesson, Big Data, Big Insight. Now how this data is studied practically. The next paragraph is giving us the uses of big data. 1. The location tracking. When we use Google Map to find out a particular location, for example, when we use voice GPS, it is very common and popular, When we open this map, when we open the map for direction, the computerized system track our location and then provide us the direction, right or left or kilometers that we are supposed to reach, name of the road, how many hours will it take to reach the particular destination, and every information we get through voice GPS. Thus, the voice GPS goes on giving us instructions. Map tells us whether we are on right route or wrong. Accident prone area, it makes us know about the accident prone area. Shortcut to our destination. Like this, we get lot of information. The writer says that for transport companies, this location tracking is of great help. Transportation of goods becomes very easy. If we have ordered online, we track the location of our goods in transit. It is of great help and surely heartening for many industries. Second is understanding of weather and weather pattern. Weather sensors, for example, or satellite, which are set up all around the globe. As a result, data can be received and studied continuously. As we come to know the climatic condition, we can make some provision if the conditions are worst. Prediction of disaster, flood, earthquake, tsunami is possible. And we can make the provisions and warn the people to be alert. Thus, we can be prepared. So the data gives us insight to make necessary provision or make the preparation to protect from natural calamity. Now the next is health centers, healthcare industries. Health app students, for example, in our mobile keep collecting our data. They detect our heart rate, our sleep pattern, our exercise method, and every record. They keep our record. This data gives new insight and can provide personalized individual feedback to everyone. So this is how big data gives big insight. Nowadays, we have the gadgets to monitor BP or sugar 24 hours. This service is provided to all the patients even in the hospital. With the help of this data, doctors get perfect diagnosis of every patient and they can check the effect of their treatment. Patient's history can be recorded for better analysis of his health. Then we are moving to banking sector, finance sector, trading. Now how this data helps this particular bank or trading for the insight. Investment patterns of the people are studied. Bank can introduce new plans and supply the information about the benefits. Moreover, cyber crimes or fraud can be detected easily. They can recognize the wrong transactions even. Failure in net banking can be recognized. Thus, they can move towards right action through this data. Every issue can be handled easily. Further, we are moving to sports. Data enables sportsmen to study performance of himself and others even. Since the match is recorded, team performance can be improved easily. We can watch, we can come to know what is wrong, where we are wrong. Like this, players can study his performance and he make necessary improvement next time. The sensors embedded in sports equipment helps to understand the game from close quarters even. Sensors moreover helps to guess the weather conditions and field conditions even. Further, we are moving to advertising agencies. Students, Facebook, Google, Twitter track the users and their transactions. These internet giants provide a great deal of information or data to the advertisers, and they get innovative ideas to motivate the customers. When we do online shopping, for example, every record is monitored, and thus the advertising agencies catch the customers and introduce new offers, concessions, and the sale can reach at the height. They can manage everything very skillfully. Next, we will see the entertainment and media. Big data focuses targeting the customers. Entertainment industry catches the viewers. YouTube, we know students, is the best example of it. Media is successfully catching the viewers through lot of entertaining programs, videos, and we come to know their likes and dislikes, the subscribers and every information. This huge data is collected and definitely it provides good insight. Further, we are moving to education center. Information of every student is collected and it is permanent record. Different portals are used by the government to collect the data of the students. Dynamic learning programs, different learning apps, online courses are made available for all the learners. Data helps to understand their choice, their doubts even. By collecting the data, their progress can be studied. We get the record of weak students even, and innovative programs can be set for their improvement. Thus, every data gives us insight, and this insight assures us better result ultimately. Thank you students. Here we end the lesson. Thank you so much.